Namaste, welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the essay writing. So, what is essay writing? Essay writing is a long piece of writing. It's not same as paragraph writing. Paragraph writing means you have to write a small portion. Okay, essay writing is a long, lengthy one. So, already they gave one example here. You can go through it. First, we have to write the introduction of the topic. Whatever they give, whatever the topic is, we have to write the introduction of the topic here. Okay, next come to the body of the essay. Body means we have to write the details about the topic, what topic is talking about. Here that's a national park, visit to a national park, so we have to write it in details. Okay, next conclusion means we have to end the essay writing. Okay, so like this. Okay, this is what essay writing. Okay, next comes to story writing. Okay, story writing using hints. They give hints to you. You have to, using that hints, you have to write a story. Okay, so first points to remember: try to understand the theme of the story first. Next, develop the hints given to form complete sentences and complete. Next, write the story in simple English, preferably in the past tense. Okay, you can add a few dialogues too. Okay, here I'll give one sample story writing. Okay, in the same type you have to develop other stories too. Okay, read the following hints or outlines and develop it into a story. Give a suitable title. You have to give a suitable title. Okay, old woman lives alone in the village. One day a ball through her window, throws it outside. Next day it happens again. A little girl asks for a ball. Old woman tells not to throw. Little, no one to play with, became good friends. This is a hints. Okay, this time same type will come. This is a hints. And this is a story. So title, what title I gave? That unexpected friendship. So you can give any suitable title. Okay, an old woman lived alone in a quiet village in solitude. One afternoon a ball suddenly flew through her window. Annoyed, she threw it back outside. The next day it happens again. This time a little girl came to the door asking for her ball. The old woman told her to stop throwing it into her window. The girl, looking sad, explained that she had no one to play with. Touched by her loneliness, the old woman offered to play with her. From that day on, they played together every afternoon, forming an unexpected but cherishing friendship. So, this is how we have to write, or you have to develop a story. Understood? For this, we finished our 4th standard English. So, tomorrow onwards, we will start our 5th standard, same Collins English Expert Course Book and English, Collins English Grammar and Composition 5. Okay, thank you. I sent a pic of the textbooks in my WhatsApp group. Just check it out. Okay, 5th standard textbooks. Okay, thank you.